On behalf of our chairperson, Honorable Francisco Ortiga, and the entire CSO Accreditation Committee, I am truly happy to welcome all of you. It's a great joy to see so many bright, enthusiastic, and familiar, beautiful faces. Ay, ako diyang i-rephrase kay nakikita ko ng mugot. Kaya di kumplito. And familiar, beautiful, and handsome faces here at our CSO conference. It's truly inspiring to witness such a strong gathering of passionate and committed individuals. People who genuinely care about making a difference in our communities. I'm honored to speak as Vice Chairperson and to thank each of you for being here. Your presence reflects the strength and diversity of civil society and how powerful we can be when we come together. This conference is not just about sharing ideas. It's about strengthening our commitment, listening to one another, and finding ways to support each other as we work toward more inclusive and resilient communities. Civil society has always been a driving force for positive change. So let's make the most of this day, join the conversations, share your thoughts, and build connections that will continue well beyond today's event. Once again, welcome and thank you for all that you do. Let's make this a meaningful and memorable conference for all of us. Angat ka, Hilongosnon!